Right, so we're doing some multiplication in standard form. So I'm going to write this out and remind you that when you multiply, the order that you're multiplying doesn't matter at all. Now my pen's a bit thick there, so I think we'll make that a bit smaller. Okay, so 6 times 10 to the 8 times 4 times 10 to the 7. So we'll rearrange this so we've got the numbers together. 6 times 4 times 10 to the 8 times 10 to the 7. And now we'll apply 6 4s are 24, and we'll apply the indices law. That means when we multiply two numbers that have the base 10 and the powers can be added. So it's 24 times 10 to the 15. Okay, but we're not finished yet, because if it's in standard form we've got to write this as 2.4. So what we've done with the 24 is write it as 2.4 times 10. Okay, so 2.4 times 10 brings in another power, and that will take us up to 16. Right, if you're not quite sure what I did there, I'll write it down here and rub it off. So it was 2.4 times 10 times 10 to the 15. Okay, so remember 2.4 times 10 came from the 24. So the first number must be between 1 and 10, which it now is, so that bit's correct. And the 10 has a power of 1, and you add the powers together to get 10 to the 16. Alright, that's our first part done. Okay, now on to the second part. So I have got 6 times 10 to the 8 plus 4 times 10 to the 7. Now I can't combine them, but what I can do is write 6 times 10 to the 8 out. So we'll write that out. Alright, so we'll write that out now. 6 and there'll be 8 noughts, so that is 600 million. I've got to add to that 4 times 10 to the 7, which will be 4 and 7 noughts. Okay, and that's going to give me 6.4 times 10 to the power 8. Okay, I'll just make that clearer in case you don't understand. I would have had 640 by adding up 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. My point goes here, and the number of numbers after the point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that's the answer to that question.